Okay guys, in this video we'll be talking about the comments in the CPP. So these comments in not only in CPP, in any other language, these comments are not actually code statements, but these comments are the lines that will describe about what's happening in this code. So you can see here, this is the printing hello world. We know that, but you can write the comment, and these comments are two types, that is single line comment and the multi-line comment. First I will show you the single line comment. You need to put two forward slashes, and then you can write the comment. You can see these two forward slashes has been converted the color to green. Now I can write comment about this code, the functionality of this code. So what this code does is it prints hello world. So this is the comment, and the compiler will ignore this line when compiling. So you can see here, now if we run our program, only hello world will be outputted. So you can see only hello world. So these comments are generally ignored by compiler, and it is only useful for you or other persons to view this code and understand this code. Suppose if you after few months, so many months, you come back to this program and you need to just look at this, you can look at the comments and get an idea about what you have done previously. So this is the single line comment, and this is a multi-line comment. First you need to put the forward slash and a star asterisk, and then you can see Visual Studio has been auto completed with star and forward slash. Now if you hit enter, you can see these lines are the multi-line comments. Now I can say hi, hello, etc. I can write many other names. So this is the multi-line comments. If you have a function that contains so many lines, then you can just put with a multi-line paragraph like comment by this slash star and star slash. You can run this, still prints only hello world. So make sure that you have put this ending star and slash. If you delete this one, you can see the whole code after this slash star will turn into green. That is the comment. So be careful in mentioning this multi-line comments. And one last tip I want to tell you is you always put the comment after the code is finalized. That means you have written the code and it's working successfully, then after that you put the comment, because if you put the comment before writing any code, then you write the code, and after some time you might change the code, but you may forget to change the comment. So the comment still points to the starting code, and after modifying some code you may forget to change the comment, so that comment will not tell us about the latest code. So suppose after few months, if you come back and you can see the comment, it will says something and the code is something, so these both will be different. So that's why you might get confused, or even if others are seeing your programs, they will get confused. So one important tip is, after finalizing the code, you need to put the comment. That is a good practice. So that's all about this video about the comments in CPP.